Hello and welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to unsubscribe emails from Gmail. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to unsubscribe from unwanted emails and newsletters in Gmail, just first thing you're gonna do is go to gmail.com. Now, I'm already here inside my Gmail. So businesses send out emails to those who are subscribed and sometimes to those who are subscribed to their services. If you want to unsubscribe from continual emails from a company, we'll show you how to do it. So let's unsubscribe from these emails. Now open the emails. So for example, I'm gonna open this one. And you see here, there is an subscribe button next to the email. Just press on unsubscribe. And there is a prompt that if you are sure to unsubscribe, so just click unsubscribe. Now others have an unsubscribe link in an email. If you can find unsubscribe button, you may simply block the sender. So for example, let's try to open this. This one, you see that there is no unsubscribe. So what you're gonna do is block the sender. Now click the three dots at the top right of the email. Then just press the block. Then just press block again. So that's it. That's how you can unsubscribe from those pesky or unwanted emails. So I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!